Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you two simple woodcraft ideas using inexpensive items, some of which came from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with these 18 by 5 inch wood plaques that I picked up from my local craft store. For my first craft, I'm using 2 of the wall plaques, 4 of these Dollar Tree wood crates, and 5 of these Dollar Tree 5-inch mirrors that I'm reusing from a previous project. The first thing I did was use a strong adhesive, hot glue, and popsicle sticks to adhere 2 of the wall plaques together. Next, I used that same strong adhesive to adhere my small wood crates. I'm using one of the 5-inch mirrors to help with spacing. I'll glue those down permanently a little later on in the project. "20 minutes later, I carefully took my design out to a well-ventilated area and attempted to give it one coat of gold metallic spray paint. I quickly realized that I really needed some primer to get the gold metallic finish that I'm looking for, but I didn't have any primer on hand. So here I'm adding 2 coats of black acrylic paint instead. Once my paint was completely dry, I added 3 thin coats of inexpensive varnish that I already had at home. To decorate my design, I'm using scrap material from rhinestone sheets that I use for my business, but you can use any type of diamond wrap or decoration that you have on hand. I used hot glue to adhere my rhinestone strips, and of course I didn't forget about the sides. For craft number 2, I'm using another wall plaque as well as some of these Dollar Tree Tower Game wood pieces. For this craft, I'm again using leftover materials. Here I'm adding some Greek key acrylic mirror stickers that you guys saw me use in my recent bathroom makeover project. I later decided to add 2 more of the acrylic stickers that I cut into small pieces just to give my design a bit more sparkle. I really like how both wood projects turned out, and I've got 2 completely different ideas that I'll share with you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers. Bye.